Hello and welcome. I am Tyler Sunstrom. Today we're going to be performing a science experiment. Today's experiment: does Alka-Seltzer fill up a balloon with carbon dioxide gas work better with soda or water? Today's soda of choice I will be using is Coca-Cola. My hypothesis is that if Alka-Seltzer is placed into both water and Coke, and you measure how much time it takes to fill the balloon, then the Coke Alka-Seltzer mixture will fill the balloon quicker. The materials needed is 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets, which I have right here. Alka-Seltzer. We're going to need a measuring cup that will measure liters, and right there, 1 liter. We're going to need a 2-liter bottle of Coke, and as you can see, got 2 liters right there. We're going to need the 2 liters of water, which that's where the measuring cup comes in, because we're going to fill 2 liters of water into this empty 2-liter bottle. And to accurately pour the water in there without spills, we will be using a funnel. We need to use 2 balloons, and to secure the balloons around the caps, we are going to be using rubber bands. Just in case, we're going to place the 2-liter bottles into a overflow bowl to catch anything that will essentially spill from the bottles. And for safety purposes, we will have safety glasses. So, let's get experimenting. And we're back. Right now we're gonna fill up our 2-liter bottle of water, our empty bottle, with water. And this is our first step. So, step 1, accurately measure 2 liters of water poured into an extra empty 2-liter bottle. So let's try this. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it up. Alright, let's carefully place it down. And it's just a little bit over 1 liter. So let's just pour a little bit of it out. Well, still a little more than 1 liter. And, it's right at 1 liter this time. Okay, let's place the bottle in the sink. Put the funnel on top of it. I know you can't see it, but don't want to get a weird can. Don't want to, like, mess this up again. Okay. Well, this is really awkward to do. And that's 1 liter done. Now let's get the 2nd liter of water. Just look, it's a little bit under 1 liter. And wait for the water starting to level out. And yeah, it's just about there. Yep, there we go. 2nd liter of water. Now let's fill this bad boy up. Here we go. There we go. And that's 2 liters of water. And we'll be back at the test site. Step 2 was to take the desired bottle and place it into the overflow bowl. I'm starting off with the Coca-Cola. Then it was to put 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet into a balloon, which I will demonstrate for you right now. We have the Alka-Seltzer tablet and we put it into the balloon. Then you will tie the end of the balloon into the bottle of choice, which is again the Coca-Cola. I've already done that to save time, and I've wrapped the rubber band around the neck. Then it is to drop the Alka-Seltzer tablet into the thing. So I'm going to back my thing up, my paper, and I'm going to get my stopwatch ready. First, I've got to break the tablet into 2 pieces for it to slide into the neck. Okay. Is the camera position good? Okay. 3, 2, wait a minute. 1. Start the time. Okay, see that? The balloon's filling up fast. And the Coke is going into the balloon so fast. Oh, and it falls over. But the balloon is still filling up, as you can tell. Because the gas is expanding the balloon. And let's stand the balloon back up. And I think it's gonna pop any second. I got it. Ah! Okay, so far the balloon is still filling up. I can feel it. Let me just position it. There we go. And it's done fizzing, and at 1 whole minute, 1 minute, 1 second, 0.7 seconds, the balloon has finally filled up. So I'm gonna make that. Let's see, let's write that down. That first part, oof, that didn't go as planned, but it still worked. Next, we're gonna try the water. Let me just get my stopwatch ready. And just a reminder, the last one was 1 minute and 1.7 seconds to fill the whole balloon up. So just place the Alka-Seltzer tablets in here. Start it right now. Okay, let's see how long it takes this balloon to fill up. You can see that the balloon is filling up just a tad bit. Let me just position the camera. See, you can tell it's filling up little by little, but it's really slow, really much more slow than before. And then, if you can see that, the Alka-Seltzer is working and it's fizzing, definitely. Oh, and yeah, see, there's the whole thing. It's going really slow. Let's check on the Alka-Seltzer tablet to see. Yeah, Yep, the Alka-Seltzer is definitely done dissolving. So, the balloon barely filled up. Yeah. If we kept this going, it'd be way much more longer, but I stopped it at a minute 1.39 seconds, but it's not even full. So, as you could tell, the balloon didn't really even fill up. So, the Coke definitely works much more better to fill up a balloon than water. So let's just get a closer look at what we've got here. Oh, I got it. Okay, so hold on. No, Mom, just put it on the floor. There's our finished Coke, water. It's bubbly, but it's done dissolving, and the balloon barely even filled up. So the balloon wouldn't have even filled up. So if this was Mythbusters, this myth would be busted. And I will be back. As seen in the previous clips, my hypothesis was proven correct. And once again, my hypothesis was if Alka-Seltzers put in both water and Coke, and you measure how much time it takes to fill up a balloon, the Coke Alka-Seltzer mixture will fill up faster. And the water barely even filled up at all, so I wasn't expecting that. And the reason that Alka-Seltzer will even react with water or any type of liquid substance is that when the citric acid and the sodium bicarbonate react in water, it will start to fizz. But the reason it fizzed so much in the Coca-Cola is that Coca-Cola was already carbonated. So that extra little bit of carbon dioxide made it explode like a geyser, to give some real life examples. So that was a pretty successful science experiment on my part. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.